If you guys like how I do my chart analysis on YouTube and you want to learn how to do it yourself, click the link below to check out the Vee Trades technical analysis course. What's up traders, this is Vee Trades and today I'll be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Alibaba with the ticker symbol BABA. If you want a chart analysis guaranteed to be done, please read the description below. Also take a second to give the video a like and subscribe for more chart analysis. I appreciate it very much. This video is for entertainment purposes only, does not constitute any financial advice. I will first go over what I see in the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. It's good to have you guys back, and I hope you guys are enjoying the really volatile market that we are experiencing. So let's take a look at Alibaba. Last time I looked at this was last Friday, which I believe was, I think it was the 29th. And I was expecting BABA to come back down and fill in this gap. It was just more likely. However, we did get a nice pop up and a bounce from the EMA on Monday, but we didn't see any follow through. You can see that Tuesday was kind of sideways, and Wednesday we kind of gapped down. We traded up. We still cannot break above that 102 level, and then you can see that Thursday and Friday was just more selling. So we filled in this gap, which is good. We could get a bounce from here and continue higher. However, that's just unlikely. I'm looking for a new low of this micro downtrend and even a new low of this entire downtrend. I'll show you guys more reasons why. So we had this downtrend channel working low right here. This is the micro downtrend pattern that prices were respecting. And you can see that we had the first break of the pattern because these price bars are not inside of it. So normally first breaks of patterns fail. So I'm looking for a new low of this micro channel, which is right around that $80 level. And then even a new low of this $73 level, because also there was a channel, if I draw it, and I believe you could just watch my last video, I drew the channel, and we still have not had a retest of these lows yet, even though we had the first break of it. So I'm looking for low price targets. If these price levels don't reverse prices, most likely it won't. Where are we going next? Probably back down to the all-time lows for this stock. I'll show you guys right now. So the measure move target is right around that $60 level. So I'm still looking for that $60 level, and it definitely looks like prices are heading down there. So they're going somewhere because the prices move. So it's heading to some location on the chart, and my job is to find out where that location is. And it looks like, using my tools, it's pointing right at the $60 level. So multiple reasons why we should continue lower and not just reverse from here, even though if we do reverse, it could just be temporary. I'm still looking for lower price targets. You can see that this chart is extremely brutal. It's just pretty much down since, you can see that we've been going down for a long time. And if I connect the swings of this channel or the swings of this price action, you can see that we have this nice downtrend channel that's been in play since October of 2020. So we're going down inside this major downtrend channel for a long time, which we have not had a break outside of it yet. So it could be a long time before Chinese stocks reverse, and that's why I'm changing my strategy up. Even though I own a good amount of Chinese stocks, I'm going to start holding more cash and wait till I see a reversal in these American stocks. And then I'm going to start putting more money into American stocks to make up for my losses or my down position in the Chinese stocks. Even though I'll still hold them, I don't need the money anytime soon. If you're emotional about your position, then you have invested too much. I mean, if you invest $5, are you going to care if it goes to zero? Most likely not. So it's the same principle. If you have too much money invested into any stock or your portfolio, then obviously you're not doing the right thing, and you're going to be emotional. You're going to be scared every time you see a red day. Me, I don't really care. I can wait this out and change up my strategy and try to profit from the market. So that's all I have for the daily chart. I'm looking for lower price targets. Really nothing bullish as right now, but that's why I give you guys weekly updates. If we do continue higher, I'll be surprised, but I'm looking for lower price targets. And I'm looking for that $80 target first, and then the 70, and then the 60 still is in play. So let's go and wrap this up on the weekly chart. Here we have the weekly chart for Alibaba, and I'm going to put the channel back on here. You can see that we can see the price action for a long time. It goes back pretty far, and you can see that since October of 2020 we've been going down. So it's almost 2 years since we've been inside of a downtrend. So that's really brutal for any long-term investor where you have not made any money for 2 years. If you're a buy and hold investor, or even a long person who goes long, you can see that it's been going down. We have not been above the EMA since February of last year. The last time price action was above it was back over here, and that was just temporary. And you can see that every time we get back up to near that EMA, it just pushes prices down. This blue line is the EMA and it's overhead resistance. So as long as we're not above there, there's really no reason to be bullish. So this could drag out for a while. I don't think Chinese stocks look like they're going to bottom anytime soon, and there's probably an underlying reason why. Maybe the Chinese economy is slowing down, which I'm hearing. They could be in a lot of debt, so definitely the chart tells you that there's some problems in the economy or these stocks. We just don't see it yet, or they will be revealed eventually. So looking for lower price targets. Maybe this all-time low of the stock can turn around prices at the $60 level. We'll have to wait and see, but again, it's just gonna draw out for a long time, so you just gotta be patient. That's everything I have for Alibaba, and see you guys next week. Thank you for stopping by and checking out my video. Make sure to check out the rest of the channel, since you might be surprised what you can learn. Leave a comment down below on where you think prices are headed. Also share the video if you want your friends to learn about the markets. Lastly, I appreciate any feedback to help improve the channel, since I want to deliver great content to you guys. See you next time, and bye.